So, it's dark in here. What's up with that? There we go. Too much sandy going on. Alright, so today is fish taco day. We're gonna make fish tacos. I filmed earlier how to make the pico de gallo, which I already have that on my cooking channel here, and the recipe for that. And I also made a chipotle lime like sauce to go over my chicken tacos, to go over my fish tacos. This is what the family wanted tonight for dinner. I also made a very simple vinegar type coleslaw to go with it. It's not sweet. It's just got some mayonnaise in it and some vinegar, some celery, salt, and what else I put in it? Some fresh onions. But it's not a sweet coleslaw. It's more of like a vinegary slaw that I thought would go perfect with these fish tacos. I was going to do a recipe video on this, but I kind of vlogged all day and I just kind of want to get my dinner started. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. So it's, you know, it's quick and easy. I don't need to do a recipe video, but I'm going to show you. What I got going on here is, in here I've got some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of cumin. And we're going to sprinkle these right over our fish. This is about a teaspoon of the two powders, but then the cumin, it's really mainly like a half a teaspoon because I'm not, you know, I don't want a big cumin flavor with this. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on both sides of my fish here. That is all I'm going to do. I'm going to sprinkle it liberally because I want my fish to have some flavor, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to use this hand right here. See, I don't like that part there like that. I just think that's ugly, don't you? But this is the fish that I bought that is frozen from my local grocery store. What I really wanted to do was go to like Kroger, somewhere where they have a meat, a fresh seafood shop, and get some fresh, but I did not. I was too lazy. Liberally, my friends, let's get this liberally on there. But we're gonna try these out. I mean, how bad can they be? I'm sure they're like flash frozen. Gotta wash the hands. Now I've got some olive oil over here in this pan, if you can see it. Hey, you guys like, hey, you like my new wild. Look at that. Look how sexy that top is. You like that? You like that top? Look at that. I bought that before I went to New York. And I bought a couple tops. But I really like this because it's kind of like a jersey material. It's nice and soft, and it, you know, it's a little flattering. I think it's a little flattering. I think I look fantastic in leopard print. I don't know about you, but that's what I think. Maybe in my past life I was a leopard. Who knows? But anyway, let's get back over to the fish. The more important things there, right? So like I said, I already made my Chipotle sauce. I made that earlier today, and I'm sure I filmed that as well, so you'll get to see that. And I made slaw, and I'm going to do some fries, but we're going to bring this up to temperature. I'm looking for my little baby tongs. And you know what? I'm going to use let's not be making all this noise. I'm going to use my spatula. My spatula. I'm going to make some French fries as well. Why not, right? Taco Tuesday. This is Taco Friday. This is Friday. See, I told you I told you in one of my vlogs that we missed Taco Tuesday, but guess what? It's Taco Friday. Taco. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Huh? What you having for dinner? Teresa Bowman, I'm still waiting for you, love, to get back to me for your seasoning. Waiting, dear. Waiting. That's all right. We will wait. No worries. I will not pass it on to anybody else. And you know what? I think we're going to start doing some quick giveaways like that. You know, my seasoning's amazing. I want to get it out there. I'm already licensed to sell it worldwide. I've already been through the Food and Drug Administration. And I'm ready to go. Let's get these fries on, because that fish is only going to take about maybe 10 minutes max. So we're going to get the fish going. Just shouldn't take long. I'm going to go ahead and put some pepper on this too. And once I get these in the pan, I'll show you my other stuff. I'm going to use this because oh yeah, that's fine. Got a little bit of oil in my pan. That's olive oil. That's what I like to use. Let's turn this up a little bit. I've got some lettuce, just roughly chopped. Whole house is going to smell like fish. Like I said, I'd rather use the fresh fish from like Kroger's. And I love to go to Kroger's and get the fresh fish because when you get it, they have all these seasonings that they can put on it if you would like. Now, I know my sister goes there and gets it like that. I'm going to wash the plates. I'm going to reuse it. But I don't. I season my own because I go there and I get their fresh salmon. I love the fresh salmon. Now, we're not going to disturb this. We're going to let this cook in the olive oil. And, it's not too appealing looking, is it? But hey, it will be. Let me show you what else I made. Come on, fish. Turn my pan cold. I already told you I made the pico de gallo. Made that. Look at that. I'm gonna give that a stir. Oh, amazing! Look at that. You guys like pico? I love pico sauce. I'm gonna give it a taste to see if it needs anything. I made this early this morning so the flavors could marry. Take a bite. Ooh, a little spicy. Put a little bit more salt in it. Love this. Oh, I got a bite of a piece of pepper. Because remember I said I put jalapeno peppers in mine because it kind of adds additional flavor. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic to it because I like it. Because I like it. And yes, I double dipped. That's the spoon I took a bite with. But you know what? This is my family. My daughter, I gave birth to her so she can come out of the worst place possible. And occasionally I get a kiss from my hubby, so I think we're good. What do you think? Alright, and I'm going to try it again. I'm going to leave this out so it'll kind of come to room temperature a little bit because, you know, you don't want to really put it on your fish cold. I'm going to try it by. Perfect. Love it. Alright, we're going to cook these for 5 minutes on the side undisturbed. And then I also made, excuse me, well, I made a Chipotle. I made a Chipotle sauce. Now, you could use, if you wanted to, you could use Greek yogurt, but I used mayonnaise like I showed you earlier. I prefer the mayonnaise. I mean, I just think it's a little bit more creamier, you know. You know what I'm saying. I'm going to have a bite of that too. Have another bite. I like it. Oh, that is so creamy and so delicious. Ooh, some spicy stuff now. And then I chopped up some lettuce. Let's see what I mean by just roughly chopped. And I made some coleslaw. We're gonna try that too. Oh, you know what? I have got leftover wilted lettuce and onions. I don't like all that water in my fish. I don't know about you, but that's kind of grossing me out. Make some noise. The hubby should be home soon. Like I said, it is Friday, so happy Friday, guys. I gotta work tomorrow. Let's give that a stir. Now, this is just a vinegary slaw. I thought it would go well with the fish tacos. It's not a sweet slaw. I did not add any sugar in it. Now I'm gonna taste that too. I'm tasting everything. I'm hungry. Then I put a little bit of, look at that. Yep, that's good. I did not put any sugar in this because I really don't want it sweet going onto my tacos, on my fish tacos, you know what I'm saying? You know you're hungry when you're licking everything that you can get your hands on. I'm licking it all. Look at my dish towels. Look at this. I'm going to show you. This is a clean dish towel. Let me rinse it out. We have a well, and none of our whites are white. I want you to look how dingy and nasty looking that is. Well, it does have some holes in it. And you know what? I do use it until there's really nothing left, but this is clean. You can still smell the bleach in it. It's just, we have well water, and our water is awful. You should see my toilet and my kitchen sink and all the other stuff. We're gonna flip these fish. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drain some of that water off there. I can't do that, kids. I don't want to steam these suckers. I want to fry them. You know what? I guess either way would be good. But I gotta pour some of that water off there. I can't even muster that, you know what I'm saying? Can't take the looks of that. Ooh, it's getting soft. Look at that. It's already getting tender. I love fish. I like fish with like a rice dish and maybe a side salad or some vegetables. I like it with like a broccoli type, you know, like steamed broccoli. I could eat healthy if I wanted to, but because I know how to eat healthy, and I love every food in the world. There's not one food that I don't like. Look at that sexy tub. What do y'all think about that sexy tub? I like it. It's getting dark again. It's just like when you get from here up, it's like, ugh. We are our women. We are our own worst critics. I tell you. I hate going by the mirror and looking in the mirror because it's like, oh gosh. You know, I remember back in the days when me and my husband, we were dating, and he took me to Myrtle Beach, and I tried on this bikini, this really nice bikini, and I didn't even take a bathing suit there because I didn't want a bathing suit there. So we went shopping there, and I bought a bikini. I'm flipping my fish. And the lady there was like, oh, you look so good in it. You look so good in it. And I mean, I did. Hindsight back now, you know, looking back, I looked amazing in it. I really did. I looked amazing in it. And, you know, I shamed my body then. I was a body shamer then. I weighed like 125 pounds. But I thought I was fat. Lo and behold, 500 pounds later. But yeah, my point is, you know, we shame ourselves, and, you know, but we're beautiful. We're all beautiful, and you gotta love yourself from the inside out. And if you don't love yourself, you know, how can you expect anybody else to love you? But don't shame yourself. We're beautiful. God put us with some big, broad shoulders and a strong heart, so we can take care of people, you know, as far as our families. And just don't beat yourself down, because I love you, and, you know, I want you to love yourself. So I'm gonna get all teary-eyed, because let's just cook the fish. What do you think? I don't know what's going on with this vlog, but all right, guys, look at my taco. Look at my fish. I just flaked it after it was done. I just really got a good flavor to it. I just kind of find it hard to look at and eat, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I gotta get it covered really quick. But they're good. They're really good. So I'm gonna put my fish there. A little lettuce. And then my Chipotle seasoning. Look at this, what I've done to make it nice and easy. Which side is this opened on? Okay, I see, never mind. I put it in a bag so you could squeeze it onto your taco, because I figured I didn't want them getting a lot, because it's a little on the spicy side. And then I'm going to put some pico on there. Daisy May. Daisy May. She's gonna get in trouble. Alright, guys, look at that. Look at my fish taco. Doesn't it look delicious? And I heated my tortilla in the microwave first. They didn't. They don't listen to me. Give me a little bit of coleslaw. Like I said, this is not a sweet coleslaw, so if you make this, don't think that it's going to be a sweet coleslaw. I made it vinegary because I thought it would go well with the tacos. So look at that. Alright, thanks so much for watching this short little vlog. Hope you like it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And Teresa, I'm going to tell you again, you need to get back with me, because you did win that my seasoning. So email me, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye.